Sit down on the curb. You make me do about what?
Watch this man-child go completely insane after getting jealous over police talking to his girlfriend. Officers approach this woman to ticket her for speeding, but her boyfriend is simply too unhinged and insecure to see a man in uniform talk to her.
Are you with that gentleman? Were you with him?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm following him, but I don't know the area.
What's up? You're both getting tickets. You're both going 50. She was 4 inches from your bumper.
So you're not going to get both of our speeding honors at the same time. So f off with that. What's the issue? Why are you talking to my girlfriend?
Walk away now. Walk away or I'm going to place you under arrest.
You're going to place me under arrest?
Yes. Walk away.
Homie.
Things start getting intense quickly as he tries to act tough for her.
Sit down on the curb now.
I'm not doing shit.
Sit down on the curb. You're going to place
mother.
Sit down on the curb. I'm going to spray you with pepper spray.
I will knock you to
Sit down on the curb. Sit down. Sit down.
Maybe that's a threat.
I am threatening you. Sit down on the curb.
All right, record this all right now.
Now.
Record this all right
Sit down on the curb. Last chance.
The boyfriend begins to escalate things unnecessarily.
You are under arrest.
I'm not
Put your hands on the car right now.
I'll rock this
Put your hands on the car now.
Hey, what's up?
Put your hands on the car.
What's up?
You will get sprayed.
I don't go f***ing do shit. What's up?
John, take a step back here. Put your hands on the car now. You're getting sprayed. Last chance. Last
For
chance.
what? For what? For what?
Are you kidding me?
You're on camera.
For threatening me? Are you kidding me?
Threaten me.
Oh my God. Put your hands on the car. You're getting sprayed.
What?
Last chance.
How's this? Perfect. How's that, mother? Perfect. If you hit me, I'm just letting you
No.
know. Arrest me, homie. You're under arrest. For what? You're under arrest. Come over here now. For what?
Come over here now.
For what?
What do you think is going to happen here,
What do
sir?
you think is going to happen? You're not arresting me. I do shit.
I am 100% arresting you. You are being charged. Get in the car, man.
I didn't do shit.
I'm telling you right now. Do not walk away.
For what, bro? What? I didn't do
Come
shit,
here.
bro. Let him go, guys. Let him go. I didn't do shit. Let him go. What the f*** is your problem, bro?
Get on the ground.
Stop coming
Now.
at me right now. I didn't do
Get on the ground now.
spraying me with pepper spray.
Get on the ground.
I didn't do shit.
I'm not asking you anymore. Get on the ground.
Bro,
Get on the
I
ground.
didn't do shit.
Get on the
I'm
ground.
the superintendent right now.
I am the supervisor.
So why are you spraying me?
Get on the ground.
Why are you spraying me?
Get on the ground.
Why are you spraying me?
Get on the ground.
Why are you
We're going to
spraying
go
me?
hands on with you, man.
I'm not trying to fight
I
you.
don't want to hurt you. Get on the
Why are
ground.
you spraying? I'll get on the ground.
Get on the ground.
Okay.
Get on the ground.
Why are you spraying
now?
me? Why are you spraying
This
me?
is not a negotiation. Get on the ground.
Spray me.
I'm going to spray you again if you don't get on the ground.
What?
Get on the ground. You are under arrest for disorderly conduct. Get on the ground.
What?
Last chance.
I'm on the ground.
Get your body on the ground
I'm
now.
on the ground.
Get your body on the ground now. Put your belly on the ground.
I didn't do shit. I'm getting
Chance.
Shut the f
Put your body on the ground. Hands behind your back. Now. Hands behind your
Why
back.
are you arresting me? I'm asking you. I have the right to know why you're arresting me.
Hands behind your
Why
back.
are you arresting me? I'm asking you. I have the right to know why you're arresting me.
Hands behind your back now.
Why are you arresting me? I asked you a question.
The suspect tries to play dumb, as if he didn't just threaten the officer while causing a scene.
I didn't touch anybody or threaten anybody, so you've all been recorded. I hope you have a really good lawyer, because I do.
You're under arrest for disorderly
I didn't do
conduct.
shit. I asked you why you were harassing my girlfriend. I asked you why you were harassing my girlfriend.
Put your knees up.
The PBA cards I have him?
Come on. All right, come on. Do me a favor, go back to the car. You can videotape me from your car.
I know my freedom. I know all my
You're not allowed to show me.
The suspect threatens officers with his lawyers, while his girlfriend approaches to record.
Okay.
I did nothing.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in court of law. You have the right to speak to an attorney. Ma'am, just stand by your car and you can turn for disorderly conduct. Well, how many more times do I need to explain it to you? Turn away from me.
No, I know my rights. I can stand wherever I want.
Ma'am, last chance. You either back away or you're going to be arrested too.
What?
Just step back to your car. The video
I'm
camera
standing
works.
here.
Back
I'm
up,
fine.
back up. I'm telling you to back
Stop
up.
manhandling him.
I'm telling you to back up, dude.
The suspect's girlfriend refuses to cooperate with officers while they search through his belongings.
You guys don't have the right to arrest me.
Please just back away from
I
me.
am standing here. I'm not doing anything.
Keep an eye on her.
I'm telling you right now.
Get your hand out of your pocket.
Give me my wallet
Why are you
right now.
so aggressive with him?
Can you
back her up? Back her up. You didn't have to do all this, shit, bro.
You're
Dude,
so aggressive.
you didn't have to do any of this shit right now.
Recorded.
You didn't have to do
I'm
any of
not
this
good.
shit.
This man right here, he came up to my car and told us we were
There's a nice and
speeding,
keys.
me and my boyfriend. And then my boyfriend said, well,
Dude, you didn't have to do this.
That's my girlfriend.
Stop. I don't care. I'm a police
Why can't
officer.
you just hear me out?
Dude, you came up threatening. Can you unlock my...
Why can't you just hear me out? I'm not running nowhere. Obviously, I'm not going nowhere. Why can't you just
That
hear
was
me
the
out?
most ridiculous thing.
That's my girlfriend.
I don't care. I don't care. You guys were going 50 miles an hour down the road. I made a lawful stop.
Okay, but why? I'm not doing anything right now.
Stop telling me you're not doing anything.
I'm
What?
not.
Get in the car.
Can you just hear me out?
No, get in the car, dude.
I'm getting in the car. I'm asking
Put your
you to
feet in the
hear
seat.
me.
Ridiculous,
The
man.
fact that you're arrested right now before even hearing my PBA
Sit
card
back.
or any of that right now?
Sit back.
All right. You should not be arrested right now.
John, I need her driver's license. She's getting 50 in a 35 and tailgating.
You have your ID, man?
Ma'am, we need your ID.
Yes.
Although the suspect seemed calm when placed in the vehicle, he begins to freak out once again after seeing more officers speak to his girlfriend.
I got here
Where'd you
late.
guys come from tonight?
You were driving or he was? I got here late, so.
He was driving that truck. I'm driving this Jeep.
Oh, so he tried to stop you first. Why would he try to stop
Yeah,
that?
he stopped me.
Okay, gotcha.
And then
I thought you were both in it, but that's why I got here late, so. I just need your ID, I guess, please.
no, you came aggressive. Stop. You pepper sprayed him for no reason. He didn't raise his hands at you. Nothing.
Thank you very much for your input. I appreciate it. You have the right to press charges against me, okay?
We'll be contacting our lawyer. Trust me.
Were
It's
you
all
guys-
recorded. What you did.
Where are you guys coming from tonight?
We came from his warehouse. That's his truck right there.
Yeah, I got it in my pocket.
All I need you to do is you're going to write her a ticket for 50 and a 35, and you're going to write her a ticket for tailgate, okay? I will take care of his motor vehicle ticket when I get inside. I understand that the ticket is mine, so my ticket that I'm issuing him, that I'm issuing her.
Relax.
And then you can cut her loose. At that point, she's free to go. He's getting hit with the DP, and he's getting cut loose. Okay. I mean, he's going to get charged with 2 DPs. I got disorderly and I got resisting.
The suspect shows no signs of calming down as they prepare to transport him to the station.
You're so back to she can handle this.
Yeah, he's fine with her, and if you want to come back with me to headquarters, that's great. Hey, don't break the car, man. You faggot!
Baby, calm down. Oh. Stop. Stop.
Yo,
Ma'am,
Just
ma'am,
stop.
ma'am.
Yo,
I'll see you
Hey.
in the morning.
he's gonna be released tonight. He's gonna be released in an hour.
You shouldn't even be arresting me.
3 Bloomingdale. I'll be responding to headquarters with 2 other officers and 1 adult male under 638-640.
I know who the you are. I'll see you on the flip side, homie. You're the wrong person. I promise you that.
Yep, I hear it all the time.
Jeff!
You know him?
Yo, shut the you back. Let's not push out there.
You're getting released.
Are you calm?
No, you. I'm not calm. Let's take it off. You find out how calm I am.
Can you stop
Take the
threatening me?
take the shit off.
Hey, don't push into me when you get it off, man.
Yeah, we'll do whatever the fuck I want. I promise you. If I get these cuts off me when I'm near you, you're a hard time.
All right, man. I'll make you a deal. I'll make you a deal now, okay? If you
What's up?
Stop.
What's up? You make me a deal about what? You make me a deal about what? You ain't about right now. You make a deal about what? Yo, you make a deal about what? You should never arrest me.
Next step, get in charge with assault, bro.
Yeah, next time, I promise you, I'm gonna split that shit. You wanna talk to a little woman? I just showed up, dude. You're a pussy, you know that, right?
Are you done?
Wait.
The second you come in and we can do this, I can let you go.
I promise you, when you let me go, I'll see you soon. Jeff, listen.
All right, I'm gonna have to charge you with
That's not
threatening me,
an
dude.
assault. That's not a threat.
You don't think so?
I'm see you soon.
I think it might be.
I live in the neighborhood. I'll see you soon.
Watch yourself.
Look at me. I see you soon.
Come on.
You're actually someone talking to your girl. You're gonna get 2 tickets and go home. Why do you want to go? They said you don't want to act like this anymore. You're stopping the county playing time. Let's get
Can we just go in and finish this?
Just like you like for breakfast. I make you make my bed, all that boy. I iron my clothes, all that. Okay, all that.
Okay, are we ready?
You get 2 tickets. And
Come
you're
on.
out of here. Deal? This so with the lawsuit I got going your way.
Yeah, I hear it, man.
No, you come here.
I said it enough times. Everybody's heard you. Go ahead in. See that chair with the black chair in the room? Go ahead.
Don't touch me again.
I have to touch you.
Don't off me. Don't touch me again. I
Get
said.
over here now. What? You are not in charge. Move. Move now. That's it. That's a call, bro. Turn your body and put your face against the wall. Do it now. Put your shoes out. Kick them off your feet. Can I untie them? Is that okay? Do you promise not to kick me if I do it?
I'm not a bitch. I wouldn't sucker punch you, bro. Go ahead.
I don't know that.
Take the shoes off. I'm not gonna kick you in the face. I'm fine, fine. Don't worry about that.
I appreciate that. Kick.
You're gonna rock this thing, but you don't hold you on me either. I start work.
I just want you to know.
I'm going to work right now.
Dude,
The fact that you called my
dude,
girlfriend
it was
for
a,
bullshit
it
right
was,
now?
what do you mean a bullshit? It was 50 and a 30. She was this far from your bumper. I thought, honestly, until you came running up and yelling at me and told me that was your girlfriend, I thought she was chasing you. That's how close she was. If you had just come up to me and said, hey, that's my girlfriend, she was following me, I would have written her a ticket and we would have been done. That was the end of it.
Look, that's my girlfriend. I'm gonna listen.
I'm a police officer. Okay, go ahead.
I apologize. I'm very protective of my girlfriend. I got fellow sisters. Maybe I should have heard you out.
And I'm going to tell you this right now, too. You've said enough time. First of all, that was crazy inappropriate you said to me in the car. You know how much bigger you are than me? You think if we get into a fight right now that without this gear, without my spray, that I have a chance against you?
Same sense as me, bro. Stop.
Dude, are you kidding me?
You must be too. Anyway, that's not.
My argument to you is this. You think I want to fight? You think I wanted that?
No, I boxed for 7 years.
That's what I'm saying. I can see that. I didn't want any of that.
That's why I decided not to.
You want reality? That scared the hell out of me. That's why you got sprayed.
I'm sorry.
You know how many times I sprayed I did a cop for 13 years. You know how many times I sprayed my pepper spray? Once. today.
I apologize.
I'm not going to
I know your job is
take. I'm not going to take the
I
cuffs off you because of what you said to me in that car.
I understand you put your life on the line for people to protect them.
Dude, you are getting
sorry.
you are getting 2 disorderly persons charge, which is a ticket and release. And you know why you're getting that? Because my fucking hands are shaking right now, and because I don't want to look at you anymore. Because if I wanted to charge you with assault, if I wanted to charge you with terroristic threats, you would be in jail tonight. And don't think for a second that I am lying to you.
You're right. I already know I've been down that road.
I don't want to do that to you, man.
Like I said,
you're getting a speeding ticket. You're getting.
I was sorry.
Fine. But I want you to hear me.
That
I did not appreciate that.
It's not right to say to somebody, and I apologize for that part.
Thank you.
Of everything.
Sit there.
I'm not unreasonable. I was mad about
that. Was unreasonable.
But it was my girlfriend. That's where the rush came.
It was. Look at me. Do I look like? What was I going up to do to her?
I don't know.
I'm a police officer. You had to know you were going 50. You had to know.
I mean, if I didn't know, I know you guys still that.
Could you even see her car behind you? Because I'm talking. Listen, Jordan's right here. This is how far she was to your bumper, and I thought she was chasing you.
It's still perfect.
All right.
Yeah.
I'm gonna ask these guys. That's fine. I appreciate it. You're getting nothing. You're getting two tickets and a release. I'm gonna go into it. I'm gonna ask the sergeant here, and it's gonna be up to him too. If you would like, we can let you rinse your face. We can also get you an ambulance if you would like. I have to ask. You do not want an ambulance. If they're okay with it and we take the handcuffs, would you like to rinse your face?
I would like to rinse my face.
I'm just gonna, don't let what I'm saying to you. I have to say it because I don't want, this is for the camera and for you.
I'm not lying to you yet. Don't lie.
If you start a fight, I'm telling you right now.
Dude,
I don't know what I'm trying to say to you is I don't know if I can. You're a big dude.
I'm not going to.
Okay.
You have my word.
Are you okay if I take the handcuffs off?
Jeff, we're good? You got my word. You got my
Just turn around. Let me take the cuffs off, man. Please do not hit me. I have.
With the suspect calm and on the same page as the officers, they go about completing his booking process before releasing him.
There's another sink in the bathroom if you want to just walk around the corner there. And then there aren't any sharp objects.
I'm not a dickhead, dude. I was
listen,
irrational and emotional, and I apologize.
I know, but
and I'm from the street, so that's shit I know is going to
I just want to say this to you, like, and I hope you hear me, man. Like, I tried my best to use a lot of restraint there. Your girlfriend, again, videoing is completely fine, but not this close. And I told her 6, 7 times, and I didn't want to escalate it, man. I didn't want this. I literally wanted to write you a ticket and say, get the blank out of here. But listen, it's over now. You're not getting anything heavy. You're going to get disorderly, you're going to get resisting, and you're going to get the speeding. And I'm not pulling those. But I won't be writing you anything big, and you'll be out of here tonight. Just please be cool, all right?
Tonight, like an hour or so, right?
You what?
I wouldn't sit here if I had anything.
I mean, I don't have a problem. I didn't have a problem with you there. I didn't have a problem with your girlfriend.
The things I said to you that hurt your heart, that's how I felt when you pulled my girl in the car. That's where that came from. So just take it at that and understand it was not personal.
I appreciate
where it came from.
I appreciate it very much. Thank you very much. You all right?
I'm good.
Just do me a favor. Just stand right here. Let me just take a picture real fast, and then we're pretty much done. I'm glad I look tough, though. I don't think I am.
Hold on, one second.
Yeah. I'm sorry. Are you? I just got. All right.
I gotta go to work. I'm grateful you let me go to work.
Dude, I don't. Listen, man. I wanted nothing to do with this. Just just your head that way. Just keep your body.
I told them.
Just just your head as hard as you can. There you go.
If it wasn't for my girlfriend being there, I would not have reacted the way I reacted.
I hear you. I was literally just writing her. I was gonna write her. I probably wasn't even gonna. I don't even know. Maybe I wouldn't have.
Listen, I've had cops pull over and be like, "Oh, you're pretty cute." Like that's where my mind went with it, and that's where I got the.
I'm married. I got 2 kids.
I understand, but you
know, I'm too lazy to talk to girls.
It's law. You know that. You know that to be a fact.
Listen,
you deal with scumbags on a regular basis, probably 12 to 24 hours a day. So,
just based on your size, maybe if you were 30 pounds lighter, I would have tried to go hands on with you. But I wasn't looking for that. I wasn't looking for that today because I like my head. I do need to just say one more thing to you, just so we're on the same level here. You still have every right to file whatever. Listen, I'm just saying it because it's your right, man. If you think that anything was done inappropriately, I want you to feel still comfortable. I mean, I'm going to fight it vigorously because I think I did a good job. I appreciate that. I agree. All right. Listen, you got to live in this town. I got to work in this town. I hope if I see you next time.
There's no animosity.
No, I hope if you see me next time. I promise I'll be nothing but professional with you.
Bloomingdale that saved my life when I overdosed a couple years back, and every time I see him,
remember who that was?
Apparently he's the over there. To be honest, he's got dark.
Well, we're Bloomingdale. Butler or Bloomingdale?
Bloomingdale.
That's us.
Oh, man, it's just not talking, huh? You actually saved my life. You got.
Do you want to go with your girlfriend, or do you want us to give you a ride out? All right. I'm going to meet you over there. I gotta go look at the plates. I'll meet you over there. All right.
The officers offer to drive the suspect back to where his truck is parked instead of waiting for his girlfriend to get him.
I appreciate it. You didn't break anything in here, did you? Right. Listen, man, minus my administration looked at this and making sure that I did everything I was supposed to do. I mean, nobody will. I appreciate it, but nobody will. Nobody. Dude, like I said, I've been a cop for 13 years. I've literally never reached for this. right.
I got shot in 2021, so it hurts, but it's not that bad.
Let me get you over there. I just need your driver's license one more time because it doesn't auto-populate, and then you're done. Yeah, you're good, man. I know I got everything out of your pocket, so.
Your gas station.
I know what you did.
Attendant's ride or die, dude. He's like, don't tell the band.
That's Tom. Tom's a home run, man. He's a good dude. All right, Jeff, this one I didn't hit the button to say that it's a court date, but if you don't pay it and you come to court, well, all I'm saying is you have to come to court for the other two, so my suggestion is don't pay it. Come to court with all three of them. I'll again, you recovered nicely in the end, so if you
I'm
come.
really not a piece
I
was
listen,
just upset over the girl.
I'm telling you right now, the only thing that all this happened is you scared the shit out of me. That's the reason why all of this happened, because you're a big dude, man, and I was not looking for that at all today. I was looking to write some motor vehicle tickets and move on with my day. All right, man, you're good to go. I hope
my sister's apologies.
What's up?
Again, my sister's apologies.
Thank you.
That no one else was in the car.
I appreciate it. Like I said, it's over for me.
Say it's one under the bridge.
I'm done. Listen, man. I've been doing this long enough. I was high, but I'm back down to calm now. So, dude, I'm saying this with all love, man. You're a big dude. I mean, I had my hand ready. I had it ready. I was prepared because if you came at me, I knew I wasn't winning that fight.
I got shot in 21.
And I'm
tased. I would rather you tase me than hit with this pepper spray because that doesn't go away. That I can at least pull off my body and keep it moving. But.
Well, I'm glad that, I don't know if you guys saw when I first pulled it out to use it. Thank God when I went to spray, he didn't come at me because it didn't spray. He was moving. He moved away.
I don't personally use it because I can't stand it. I mean, you said the same thing too.
I've never used it. So, Jeff, you're good to go, and I hope you have a good rest of your day. Please apologize to your girlfriend for me. I didn't want to yell at her. I didn't want her to have something in her pocket and come at us or something.
No. She's
But that's why I was yelling at her, because she was this close to us, and we were very focused on you.
Your job, you put your life on the line every day. I get it. You don't know who's who. You don't know who's got what. I understand that. That's why I'm not upset with anything that transpired.
All right.
I understand how your job goes.
But let her know she has the same rights that you do. If she wants to file any charges,
No, fine.
I'll be here ready to look at them. All right. All right, man.
You got my word on that.
Thank you very much.
Not that serious.
Jeff, be good, all right? Good luck with
I hope I never see you again.